Use single-phase voltage for handheld welding machine with power of 2 kilowatts or less. L and N wires loaded to 120 volts voltage. Use nitrogen, argon, or compressed air, and ensure air pressure is not lower than 0.4 megapascals. Open the equipment cabinet and add the purified water or distilled water to the water chiller. It is okay when the water level reached between green and yellow indicators. And then close the door. Switch on the machine first, and then turn on the emergency stop button. Finally, turn on the laser source button. Turn on the automatic wire feeder. You can start welding process after setting the parameters according to your requirements. Remove the wire feed bracket and replace the welding nozzle with the cutting nozzle. Set the skin width to 0, then you can start laser cutting process. Click toggle button on the top right corner of software interface. Restart the machine as prompted, and then it will enter into the laser cleaning system. Set the parameters according to your requirements. Remove the scale tube. Then you can start the laser cleaning process. After using the machine, to turn off the laser source button first, then turn off the emergency stop button. Finally, turn off the main power switch of the machine and also the switch of the wire feeder.